It's a new 2018 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Turbo i6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, "Clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before." When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.